Hello, how's it going? Sorry, I'm talking a little quiet. My daughter's asleep in the other room. Making this video to review the assignment that I completed for enhancing the Pawesome Pet Services database. It does mention here in the video to explain the changes you made and why you made them. Maybe that's more applicable in future assignments because this one already tells you exactly what changes to make and why you're making them. So I feel like that's pretty, I guess what I'm saying is I don't know if I can offer more insight since this kind of tells me everything. Maybe that becomes more applicable in the future, or maybe it doesn't. But I guess what I can do is show you that all the changes have been completed. So the first one is drop the service column from the appointments table. So I'll go over here and show this. Appointments table, there is no service column. Drop the breed and species columns from the pets table. Pets, you can see that is not in there anymore. Create a new table called services. Boom, done ski. Create a many-to-many relationship between services and appointments. Yup, right there. Create a new table called breeds. Boom, done. Create a one-to-many relationship between pets and breeds. Pets and breeds, one-to-many. Boom. Populate all tables with at least 4 rows of realistic data. I will go here and run all of this to show you. So you can see there is 4 clients. There are 4 pets. There are 4 breeds. There are 4 appointments. There are 4 services. And then we've got 4 connections between the appointments and their services inputted in there. So yeah, the next part that it mentions to talk about is any challenges I faced. Well, yeah, I guess one of the challenges was, I hope I'm doing this video correctly. Please let me know if I'm missing something. I feel like this does kind of list out all the changes we make and the reasoning behind them. So maybe I'm missing a step there. I don't know. Maybe I'm fixating on it too much. I'm not sure. But I think I'm showing you everything in this video that I'm supposed to be showing. Please let me know if I can improve it. Other challenges with actually doing the assignment itself. For some reason, and maybe it's just like my SQL is bugged or something, but I couldn't run multiple queries at once. If I highlighted multiple things, it just straight up didn't work. Like half of them would just fail. So I had to go through and run all of these one by one. Even the seeding of the data here, inserting the data, I couldn't highlight multiple of them and then run them all at once. Maybe I'm using this portal wrong, and this could be a really good learning opportunity if I am, but I'd have to select each one of these insert statements independently because you can see I tried to do that here, and then I ran all of these queries to check the data to see if it worked, and it didn't. So I had to do some fixes here and run these one by one. I couldn't run all of them at once. I feel like you should be able to. Maybe I'm missing something. But yeah, running them one by one worked fine. So then I just showed you these two, but then I ran each select query on all of the tables, and it seemed to work when I run them one by one. So as far as I'm aware, I'm pretty sure there is a way that I could select everything and it just runs it top to bottom, but I couldn't quite get that to work. So let me know if you have any tips on that. But yeah, as you can see from the ERD, everything's there, connected properly, and I showed you here that all of these tables had the data. So I think that should work great. And yeah, let me know if I can improve anything. Thank you.